ginger and pear smoothie. You need coconut water, ginger, pear, and spinach. Let's start by peeling the pear. It's time to cut the pear. You cut it exactly in half. With a spoon, you take the central part out. Now cut the end of it. We cut this pear in half. Take the half. Oh well, it's fine like this. Just, there's a piece. I don't know what sounds. And you put it in the top of the blender. Now we will, with the same thing you used for the pear, you take a slice of ginger. Ask an adult to help you peel it off. Only peel off the part that you will use. Cut what you have. Put the piece of ginger in your blender. Now we put a handful of spinach. Fresh spinach. A little more. Okay. Now we put half a cup of coconut water. Let's do the fun part. We will blend it. Okay, there we go. You put the top on. Like a little more. Make sure it's nice and smooth. And here is your green awesome smoothie.